Welcome to my channel, the AI Times, unlocking the future newsletter. Welcome. Today's an AI agenda. So, let us AI newsletter, AI research papers, AI data AI tools, and last prompt training, which led to the ChatGPT prompt and a journey prompt. So, that heading to my first sections in AI in today's AI agenda. So, what is a let's say a newsletter for today's so first one? ChatGPT can now browse the OpenAI web. OpenAI explores AI hardware with a former Apple designer. Apple planning to hire AI staff in UK. Steady highlights AI productivity. Paul Belfort, CEO, X losses billions of daily users post mask. So heading to the first news, so ChatGPT can now browser the open web. So what is that? And what is that between ChatGPT can now browse the open air web? I can share you that one in the summarized one articles, but I can share you one of the little the bunch of that of the related articles. So that is has been absolutely powerful and interesting tool since its releases on November 2022, but it has been limited with the domain of the knowledge, which only includes the informations up to September 200. But that is changes today. OpenAI is announces an X firmly tweeted that ChatGPT can now browse the internet, provide you with the correct and authoritative information is completely with the direct links to a source, thanks to an interrogations with Microsoft being in search engine. ChatGPT can now borrow the internet to provide you with a current authoritative information is complete with a direct links to source. It's a longer limit before in 2021, September 2021, the company said that the capability of now available of the ChatGPT Plus subscriptions and ChatGPT Enterprise users could be chosen with a drop-down menu under a ChatGPT 4 selector at the top of the application. It marks the return to web browsing for ChatGPT back in March, when it is also announced two of its own plugins code interpreter, which has been said to remind advanced data analysis and allows the ChatGPT to accept the uploaded files in browser which use the Microsoft Bing API and text-to-based browser to search the web, summarize informations and users and subscriptions and errors could be over the vast source of website. So yeah, that was related to articles, and there's articles which I've been reading. Oh, there's one summarized one. So I've been what the details in ChatGPT Plus enterprise users can now enable web browsing with a feature expressed free trial shortly. The feature returns after being disabled this month ago following the tool bypassing publishers paywall. With access to real-time data, the move currently expands our ChatGPT knowledge beyond the previously limited to training data cutoff. We made some demos in this Twitter threads to test the power of the features and expose some potential flaws. But as well, ChatGPT has undoubtedly been a revolutionary knowledge and cutoff pro in containing the new move takes the chatbot one step closer to being the ultimate replacement for traditional search engine. So yeah, that was my first. And my second news, yeah, it was OpenAI again explores AI hardware with a former Apple designer. The report on former iPhone designer, yeah, Johnny Lee, is probably in a talk with OpenAI CEO Sam about the developing a new AI hardware device. But key point is details are unsecure, but his reports reveal that his long-term friends are exploring an unspecified AI device together. It would not be the two worst partnerships. They have previously worked together in a WorldCoin AI retina sensor scanner. Adams also backs him in a wearable startup run by a ex-Apple staff collaborating with the OpenAI on physical, yeah, Hamna, yes, physical AI integrations. Our thoughts on OpenAI expanding from software into the hardware and Johnny Lee design's expertise could really shake up with the entire electronics markets. Can now hyper smart OpenAI devices give the legacy gains run for their money? So yeah, here's one article. So related to the Johnny reportedly developing gadgets with OpenAI Sam Adams. So they are developing with something like gadgets. Yes, called a gadget, and they were developing, and they have the secret informations both of them. And yeah, that was a secret news I can say about it, but I don't have much of detail in it. But the article's been saying about this that hey, they have been sharing a lot of knowledge with each other, and they are keeping with the with them, and they are keeping that source with both of them. Yes, and they will come up and publicly when they are ready for to expose it. Yeah. Mhm. So yeah, that was really really great news. And then we have my third news: Apple planning to hire AI staffs in UK. Was reported that Apple CEO Tim Cook announced the intentions to hire more UK-based staff specialization in artificial intelligence, leveraging from the recent redundancy trends in the tech sector. So, well, here's an whole articles on that. Yeah. So, I'm reading one of the main point of we are hiring the latest AIs, yes, and the export investment to increases. Companies are pouring money to AI. Amazon announced investments in 4 billion, yes, and San Francisco-based AI firm Entropy on Monday. Yeah, Apple ongoing investments in billion British talent highlighted our global career in both in AI and technology superpower. She wrote at X as a microblogging site formerly known as a Twitter. So yeah, meanwhile the Tim CEO thought which provides AI for legal professionals said and thought the global economy was started for an AI-driven revolution. It's virtually important that the UK is the forefront of the transformations. He said, as a country, we believe a huge potential to grow an AI superpower, and I am sure this is the start of the train, which all you see more and more companies looking to take advantage of the UK deep tech expertise and that UK benefiting from the investment innovations and this will bring yeah copyright concerns. So yeah, that was here's one. Apple's recommend AI contracts with Whispers layoff in the tech industries and led by the companies like Amazon's Meta and Google's. Cook regards a layoff is a last resort, emphasizing the Apple's focus on investment in AI talent. Several tech giants have billions of AI advancements, with Amazon's investing up to 4 billion. AI frame Tropic is Tropic. The UK government industry leaders expresses optimism about the country potential to become an AI superpower. Why it is matter? Apple has been quite about AI in its product announcements this year, but do not count them out of the AI race just yet. The development shows Apple's commitment to expanding its AI workforce. So, then we have fourth news study highlighting AI productivity pitfalls. So what we brought has been saying a new study from Harvard Business Schools found a consultant made more mistakes using AI for unfamiliar task dispatch, productivity gains, and revealing the double-edged sword for workplace AI. What details in this? Well, here's an article. So yeah, here's one that how AI can put mistakes into overdrive. Yeah. What matters, AI work remains double edged and sword able to about destroyed when workers use it without coaching. Highly skilled workers struggles to navigate what AI can and can do well and resilience. ChatGPT-4 output reduces the group diversity of the thought by 40%. The researchers termed as the uneven nature of the AI capability judged the technological furniture. Details about half of the practice were incorporatalized and developed a new product ideas such as a new beverage and type of the footwear and others identify the root cause of one company challenges using performance data and executive interview. Participations conducted an assessment task and established a baseline for the quality of their work and the later experiment task involvement 18 subtasks grounded by the two humans. All participation begins their works without AI before being randomly split into three categories made way on AI cases. ChatGPT for AI assess on ChatGPT for AI assess with a prompt engineering overview. So that was a whole article in this, but I haven't summarized one over here. But what is details in this? Concerning the study of using ChatGPT for creative tasks, improve the output, but score awards and analyzing a company problems. Researchers say AI created a juggle fortuner significant gains in some areas, hazards in others. Participants failed to support the GPT-4 mistakes and relied on a repetitive output, but guidance ask prompt engineering helped them maximize the benefits. Our thoughts on this, while the productivity hacks that AI enables in the workplace are clear, brilliantly relying on the tool, it's clearly a recipe for disasters. Humans still need to critically analyze work alongside their AI assistants, just as they would a human counterpart. So yeah, there is a mistakes over there, but we have to be very strong on this and make more productive that tools, and that can give a more accurate answers as much we can use it and make really usable tool for everyone. And yeah, there is a sort of the misunderstanding things over there, because it's a tool that human is built it, and by using by the human, and they have made mistakes. Well, human may also made a mistakes, but this natural way. But there is a computer and software and AI been making such mistakes. Something we have to be look after over there and make it more accurate and make more strong prompt to get a very good prompt over there. So yeah, that was my for news, and my last news is related to the X. So CUX loses a million of daily users post marks. That's not good news. The report X has lost a million of daily active users since Elon Musk take over the dispatch monthly user growth. CEO Landa Serena confirmed in a AI Bro releasing an interview at a Vox Media Code and 2023 conference. For details in this, X now has 205 million daily active users, down from the 254 million per acquisition and 259 billion under the mask last year. Ukraino seemed obviously to hear on platform to core metrics during the interview, unable to provide a clear user numbers when asked. Musk has shifted focus to ungraded users minutes instead of standard daily monthly active user metrics. So what I thought is this: the users' numbers of confirmed and may have speculated, and performance certainly did not inspire a ton of confidence. But will Elon be a feast by any of this? Probably not. So that was my last news, and here's an article about this. That yeah, is losing the million active users, and yeah, there's a bunch of, but I will read it one summarized one. That is whole article on this. If you want to read it, go on it, and yeah, you can get it over here. Yes, I think so. It's Black Friday. So yeah, that was my first session is over. My second session due to the AI research paper, and I'm heading to my first AI research paper. That is one the collaborating LLM-based elevator. The paper presents a method called the auto collaborate that aims to collaborate a large language models as reference to free elevator for natural language generations. LLM have shown a potential but have lack algorithm alignment with human performance. Auto-collaborated is a grounded-free approach that automatically aligns LLM based on evaluations with a human performance by drafting, listing, and applying a score criteria through experiments on a various text quality and evaluations datasets. The method is showing the significant improvement in the correlations with the experts' evaluations, offering insights into effective scoring criteria alignments. So yeah, articles, here's an article related to that. If you want this, go and hit me on the comment section. I will give you, send me the emails of you. I will send you the this this valuable articles, more real, reliable, and more strong articles. And here's you can find a lot of research on this introductions. You can go to graphs, models, how the model has been working. Yes, you can methodology, how it works, principles, each and every experience setups. People who have been working really well. You can see the insights, tables. You can see this metrics, bunch of in this details and this search paper. So yeah, they have worked a lot in this, and they're publishing free of on, and people can read it and make it your decision. But in this valuable, this research papers is this yes more valuable research paper. Leave me yes case studies. Then we have a second one, which one related to exploring a large language models, cognitive model development, and through the defining issues test. This research paper explores the cognitive model development for large language models by introducing a novel evolution framework based on the defining issues test from model physiology. While LLM are extensively used in various applications, requires ethical judgment, assessing their moral reasoning has been challenging due to the cultural and ethical diversity. The proposed framework aims to categorize LLM ethically reasoning ability to in terms of moral consistency and works moral development stages. This innovative approach bridges the gap between AI and human physiology, provide insights into a LLM moral decisions making process, and then alignment with the human values. So yeah, that was my second news problem. Yes, that was second problem in the moral development of large language models through a defining issues test. Yeah, people's Microsoft ones. Yes, these are the people's who've been working over this on the search paper. There you can see the abstractions, introductions of this models. And this is such background of related work, morality and moral development, and there is a background of related this how the moral how this and of data and model of this experiment and what type of experiment they take on it, and what type of results and observations they have find. So yeah, it's really really great model. It's really really great. What you can say about this? Really great research paper. Yes, I can. You can see this research paper is really great ones. And as well, yeah, problem the moral development of large language models through a defining issues test. Great research paper. Yeah, that was. And my second sections, I'm going to my third section, which related to the trading AI tools. So while first trading AI tools related to archive super search using AI, NLP, and natural advance for rapid image and video search and translate by 25K brands for instant results. How cool is this research paper? Oh, this AI tools need for perfect a piece of content in just a super search. Go and log in. You can have it. There's an price once, book a demo once. Go and try this. Really great tool. Second one's ArtHeart.ai, entertain, create, and earn with an ultimate AI character platform. How cool is this research paper? Oh, is Alphabet actually shipped great developer experience. I think so. This one's same. Yes, looks great. AI tools. Then we have Alphabet ship developers and on standing converts. Yes, shipped all Alphabet. Well, ArtHer.ai entertain, create, and earn with the ultimate AI character problems. Well, this is one I will not open it. It's still open, but there are the uneven images over there. But if you want this, and go and just write it on Google's arthurt.ai, so you can find it. Yeah, try this tool is really great. And then second one is Alpha Product Ship Developer onboarding that converts. Yes. Now this tool is this easily ship a great developer experience, interactive documentations, converts, explain APS, TX. So go and try this. Pressing one, try for free ones. Then we have my third flight plan, automated marketing strategy for non-marketers. Yeah, automated marketing strategy for non-marketers. You're well love building, but marketing not much. No worries. We have got a back and scope up marketing strategy and awesome projects. So go and get started with this. Do a plan. Then we have one Whimsical calendar app and Studio Days assist users in scheduling and organizing event effectively. The world's fastest calendar. Go and get to Wimca for free. Already have account. Go for sign this. Then we have a Notion. I think so. Yes, we have a Notion.ai. Your notes and studios assess a limitless power of AI right inside the Notion. If you try and get a notes and makes use the of Notions, I haven't been using, but I want to use this Notions. For a lot of user of this Notions.ai. Go and log in, get Notion for free. Really such a great tool, Notions. I like this. Evidence hunt. Ask any medical questions based on 25 billion medicals from articles. So that will show you that as a medical assistant, work you as a medical assistant. You are facing any problems, you can trap your questions over there. Maybe they will solve your problems, and how you can solve these problems, how to assess the stress risk and artificial problem. This is cost effective breast cancer. Yes, and can mindfulness prevent burnout? Yeah, this is a medical assistance for you. Go and try this. It's free one, I think so. Yeah, it is free. Go and log in and try it yourself. So, and last, that was last two AI tools, pptx.ai, generate the PowerPoint slides, speaker notes, and individual images for each slide. How cool is this? This will generate your supercharge your slides with artificial intelligence. You upload a PDF, Word document, text document, and just description get tastefully and design slides deliver straight to your inbox. Go and sign in. Really great tool. Yes, that was second last sections, and my last sections related to prompt tutorial. So first prompt tutorial is about the ChatGPT prompt. It was related to the crisis management. How you manage your crisis management, analyze crisis, create and a crisis management plan for the crisis. Here to put your crisis and step by step instruction how you can implement each steps for what is the crisis, cybersecurity branch and at a financial institutions. So that is the crisis of my institution, how we can resolve that will tell you my step by step of the how we can implement each step of this crisis branch at a financial institution. So what is your, you can try this. If you want to this, you can go through this, copy and paste it on and put it in your ChatGPT prompt. So it will give you will get insights of this prompt. So second, mid journey prompt that will lead to the reflective lake. cools a far shot of a motorbike and a dry tree in a large lake reflective. Then you put over your AR 16 ratio 9, so that will give you really, really great images. You can see these images and they have a shadow of this and there's water of this. So I hope you like this my mid journey prompt, and thanks for watching. I hope you like all my sessions or videos, and if you find any more valuable things in there, you can tell me in a comment section. Come up really great news over there. Thanks for watching. Goodbye everyone.